Hey there, boys. Trevor Wiles coming back at you with a new video. I don't know what I'm going to label this thing yet, but I'm actually home right now. It's nighttime. I'd go out and do a nighttime video, but protection, you know, grandmother doesn't want me to go out and get sick. Pray for her, by the way. She did get a cataract out on, I think, Thursday. And next week she's got to get another one out. So just keep her in your prayers. Okay, so today, I think we are going to react to a video since there's nothing else for to do. That TV might be grainy, I don't care. But here's what we're going to be watching. We're going to be watching some good old Pagan Lagan. If you don't know him, he is probably one of the more funnier YouTubers I've ever watched, man. He does, like, alright, so, first off, he's a Canadian, so obviously, you know, Canadians are always going to be very crazy like Americans are, but I think Canadian is just a natural-born redneck. But anyway, I'm going to show you this one video. I think it's called Minty MC Old Start. Credit goes to you, buddy. Anyway, we're going to watch it, so here we go. Alright, buffer, yada, 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 yada. Minty. Alright, let's see how it goes. Shall we?
We got this minty old Ford.
Alright.
Mint, literally mint in color.
I wonder what year that thing is. That
it's got
80s.
The best converter for turning gas into a lack of horsepower. How long have you been running there, Sheldon?
Oh, it's got a 351 modified in it.
There's definitely a tree growing to the back.
Which the block is actually the same as the Cleveland, just modified and it's trying to overheat.
And it's a dual engine truck with the sassy as fuck 360 in the back. Isn't that 360?
Oh, Ford 360.
Man. Alright, well, we've got to add gas. Mickey battery. We're sponsored by Optimus.
I dumped them, huh?
And yeah.
Good fucking batteries from what I've heard. Dry cell, I think. I'm not too sure.
This is going to be our fuel mixture. Some safety brake. Well, that's going to be the good stuff. And a little bit of... Oh, yeah.
I think you better go wipe your ass, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Add some of that in there. Some gas. We just cut through the fuel line, and we'll see.
Man, that's a nice little fucking Leatherman.
Holy fucking aerosol. It's pretty perfumey.
Smells like Bigfoot's dick.
It's good for an out of the bar. Look at the cooler.
Maybe piss into the carburetor, too.
Look up fuel line now. Got the fancy new gas tank there with the rigger-negged hose there. And how long do you think it's going to crank before it starts?
100 cranks.
But we're going to spray some oil in the fuel line so it maybe loops the pump up a bit and then we'll go from there.
Or chug diesel.
Skim this up, make it all fucking.
And then puke it up into the carburetor, see what that would do.
Spike the pan. Right into the fucking hole there.
Oh yeah. That's nice. That's a little tip for you.
Down our throat hole. Now that that's full of dirt. Alright,
Mint.
Tiger. Fuck yeah.
Mint! Even Diego agrees.
Fuck, you run like a cat.
Damn right she does, Peg!
Don't worry about all that rattling noise.
That's just a Ford rod knock, that's all it is.
Ah, she finally spun off. Fucking way she goes. Mint. Oh, you can shoot some gas. Oh, yeah.
Mint!
Nothing but the finest out here. Wanna do a burnout?
Yeah. Rev and dump! Rev and dump!
Oh, the tunes work?
Put on some death metal.
No tunes.
Your antenna's fucked, buddy. Oh shit, struggling. You're supposed to put the gas all the way down to the floor until it touches the red line, then put it in the first gear.
against the rod, is it?
It's going against my foot. Is that Dad? Come on, just back and forth. Rock it, Barb. Rock it.
You're running some man, boy.
Come on. I hope I ain't gonna get copyright strike for this.
Pause it up.
I don't know if it does got pausey.
Fucking solid.
Mint.
Got a pause your diff. You welded anyway. Fuck no. Does the horn work?
Oh, blow it out your ass.
It didn't work though, but it's probably only AM. Watch your fingies.
Don't worry, I'll just stick my tongue there. Hey, even the door buzz still works.
Fucking mint. Let's go get another kitty one, shall we?
Maybe a Kenworth would be good too. Mint!